What we have for sale on eBay today is a very nice HOBART 5614 bone and meat bandsaw. It's in great condition. It came out of a local butcher shop. They bought it new and it's coming from them to you, so it hasn't been passed around to a lot of owners. You're getting it from the original owner. It's got a good sharp blade on it, good motor. It's three-phase. What we're going to do, we're going to take you around the saw and show you the great condition, and we're going to turn it on and show you how smoothly it runs. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll turn the three-phase power on, my three-phase converter, and then we'll turn it on and show you how smoothly it operates. Our three-phase is on. We're going to turn on the blade. Now we'll take a walk around and show you the great condition. Very nice saw. Very smooth. Nice sharp blade. I'm going to turn it off and show you inside. Nice sharp blade. Now we'll turn our three-phase power off. We'll show you the rest of the machine. Nice condition. This saw was always maintained and serviced by the local HOBART dealership. Gentleman that had it took very good care of it. You can see. Very nice. Very nice HOBART 5614 bone and meat bandsaw. As always, I offer free palletizing, crating, and shipping to the buyer within the continental U.S. If there are any questions, my name is Kevin. My number is 724-516-1142.